Hello everyone and welcome to the AI Content Creation Masterclass. Imagine having a professional photographer, graphic designer, creative director, and marketing team available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week without hiring anyone. That's exactly what artificial intelligence makes possible today. Whether you're a business owner, entrepreneur, freelancer, content creator, marketer, student, or professional looking to build a brand, AI can help you create stunning business content in a few minutes rather than days. In this course, you will learn how to generate professional images using AI, edit images without Photoshop, create flyers and social media graphics, design infographics, produce luxury product photography, use both free and paid AI tools, and most importantly, write powerful prompts that consistently generate high-quality results. By the end of this course, you will have the skills to create marketing content that looks like it was produced by an expensive creative agency. Without further ado, let's begin. Why does AI image generation matter? Think about the traditional process of creating business content. You need a photographer, a graphic designer, expensive software, and you need time, and often a large budget. Today, AI removes many of these barriers. With the right prompt, you can generate product photos, social media graphics, restaurant advertisements, Airbnb listings, real estate marketing materials, fashion campaigns, and business branding assets in seconds. The secret is not AI itself. The secret is learning how to communicate with AI effectively, and that starts with prompt engineering. The golden rule of AI images. Many beginners make the same mistake. They type something like generate a restaurant image, and the result is usually average. Why? Because AI works best when given detailed instructions. Think of AI as a professional designer. The more information you provide, the better the result. This is why we use a structured prompt formula. The formula gives AI all the information it needs to create exactly what we want. The AI image generation formula. The formula is simple. Subject plus environment plus lighting plus camera angle plus style plus brand elements plus quality details. These 7 components form the foundation of professional AI image generation. If you master these 7 elements, you'll be able to generate almost any business image imaginable. Now let's examine each component. Component 1 is the subject. The subject is the main focus of the image. Ask yourself, what should the viewer see first? Examples could include a luxury hotel suite, a beachfront Airbnb, a luxury wristwatch, a fashion model, etc. So, instead of saying you just want to have a restaurant, you'd rather say a luxury rooftop restaurant with elegant wooden tables and gourmet dishes. This specificity creates quality. The second component is environment. The environment describes where the subject exists. Ask yourself, where is the scene taking place? It could be a beachfront property, a mountain lodge, a luxury hotel, a busy city center, a modern office, etc. Environment creates context, and context creates realism, which we need when we're creating high-quality AI images. The third component is lighting. Lighting is one of the biggest factors affecting image quality. Professional photographers spend years mastering lighting. With AI, you simply need to describe it. Examples could be natural daylight, golden hour sunlight, soft morning light, luxury studio lighting, or dramatic cinematic lighting. A beautiful image often starts with beautiful lighting. The fourth component is the camera angle. The camera angle determines how viewers experience the image. Examples could be a wide-angle shot, a close-up shot, eye-level perspective, low-angle shot, drone view, bird's eye, magazine-style composition. The right angle can dramatically increase the perceived value of a product or property. The fifth component is style. Style determines the artistic look and feel. Examples could include luxury, which is my personal favorite, modern, elegant, corporate, premium, Scandinavian, bohemian, cinematic, photorealistic. Style influences the emotional response of your audience, which is something you're big on if you're trying to create content that compels people and moves them to either purchase your product, visit your property, buy your property, etc. Component 6 is brand elements. Businesses must stay consistent. This may be through logos, brand colors, brand slogans, business names, corporate identity, etc. The goal is to create content that immediately feels connected to your business. The seventh component is quality details. Quality details tell AI how professional the final image should look. Examples could be 8K resolution, ultra detailed, photorealistic, professional photography, magazine quality, luxury branding quality. And if, let's say, you're just creating content for your personal use, you can even add the text candid iPhone photography, candid G7X photography. You can even specify the kind of camera photography you require from the AI tool. This is an example for an Airbnb business because that's mainly where I specialize. Let's see the formula in action. First, the subject. Modern luxury living room with a fireplace. Second, the environment. Lakefront cabin surrounded by mountains. Lighting. Warm natural daylight. Camera angle. A wide angle interior photography. Style. Modern luxury Scandinavian design. Brand elements. Luxury vacation retreat branding. Quality details. 8K photorealistic professional photography. Notice how every component works together to create a highly detailed result. Now, before we conclude this lecture, I have a practical exercise for you. Your challenge is to create a one prompt for your own business using the 7-part formula that we've discussed. Remember the subject, environment, lighting, camera angle, style, brand elements, and quality. Generate 3 different versions and compare the results. You can also try tweak it by generating prompts with missing one aspect that we've discussed. Notice how changing just one element can completely transform the final image. Congratulations, you've completed lesson 1 and you've learned why AI image generation matters. You've learned the 7-part AI prompt formula. In our next lecture, we're going to be looking at practical examples of these prompts for different business models. And we will also explore the free and paid AI tools that you can use throughout this course and throughout your AI content generation module. See you in the next lesson.